Good morning, my dear students. Today we will study secondary memory. We already study about characteristics of computer, types of memory. There are three types of memory: primary cache memory, primary memory, and secondary memory. And we discussed all the types of the memory also. Now the third one is already we discussed cache memory, primary memory. Now we will discuss the secondary memory. This secondary memory, the computers can store a large amount of data. Yes, of course. However, the primary memory stores only limited amount of data. As we are in the last video, as you study, this primary memory can store data, but that is the limited one, and that primary memory is not for us. We cannot store our data. That is only for the computer purpose. Only computer can put his data in that primary memory, in the RAM ROM that is used for the computer purpose only. We cannot save our data, our input. So to save our data we are using secondary memory, and this is the permanent memory also. And the another name of the secondary memory is auxiliary memory and external memory. So what is the other name of this our secondary memory? That is auxiliary memory, and or you can say external memory. In this storage device, information remains stored permanently. So if we store in secondary memory our data, that will be not deleted, that is permanent. So now some types of storage device. The first type we have hard disk. The hard disk is a magnetic disk that is which is a huge storage, which has the huge storage capacity. While working on computer, you can click on save button. When you are using computer, you are saving that any file or any your work. Where it goes, it goes to your hard disk, and that is it is saved on your hard disk. So there are two types of hard disk. That is, one is internal hard disk and external hard disk. So this internal hard disk is inside your CPU box, that is assembled inside your CPU box. And external, which we can take out, we can carry also, means we can take out from the computer, means we are connecting external hard disk via USB. Through the USB we can connect our external hard disk. But this internal hard disk is situated that is inside your CPU box. Next, CD stands for compact disk. It is a circular disk. You can see this is a circular one. Okay, it is stored up to 700 MB data. So you must remember this one. The maximum capacity of your CD is 700 MB. More than that we cannot store this in this CD. So CD, many of you have seen CD. One side of the CD, that is the shiny side. So again, there are some types of CD. That is, the first type is your CD-ROM, CD-R, and CD-RW. So you one by one we will know what is CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for compact disk read only memory. This CD is present pre-recorded. CD-ROM, that is already recorded. Okay, and only we can read, means already recorded. If video, audio, or whatever is that, already recorded. Only what we will do, only what we can do, only we can read. We can, means you can play that CD. As the most many of you have played the video game, you buy that CD, already game is written in that CD. So you cannot erase that game or change that game. So that is the example of CD-ROM. Next is your CDR. CDR stands for compact disk recordable, means you can write or store data on it only once. So this type of CD means this is kind of CD. Once you can write. Okay, and once you write, you can read many times. Means once you write, एक बार आपने लिखा, you can read for many times. Next is your CD-RW. CD-RW stands for compact disk rewritable, means you can write and erase multiple times. Okay, so CD-ROM already data written, you cannot do anything, you can read again and again only. CDR, once you can write and read again and again, but in the case of CDRW, you can read again and again, you can write again and again. Okay, the next is your DVD. So what is DVD? DVD is digital versatile disc. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. It also look like CD, but the capacity, the storage capacity is 6 times more than the CD. So what is the capacity in the case of CD? That was about how many MB? That was only 700 MB. But in the case of DVD, the maximum storage capacity, it can be 4.7 GB. Okay. So in DVD we can store large number of data. Okay, and also in this DVD the quality of video and sound is very nice. Next type of storage device, secondary storage device, that is Blu-ray disc. A Blu-ray disc look like CD or DVD. It also look like CD and DVD, but you can see in this CD and DVD. So what is the difference? Difference is that again it is, this Blu-ray disc is 5 times more data can store as compared to DVD. So in this Blu-ray disc we can store data up to 25 GB. We can store data up to 25 GB. Okay, in the single layer of this two types of Blu-ray discs are there, single layer and double layer. In the double layer I think about 60 GB you can store. And this Blu-ray disc also you can run your CD player and DVD player as earlier, like CD and DVD were running. So only the difference in CD and DVD and Blu-ray, CD, in DVD the capacity, the storage capacity is more than CD. In Blu-ray more capacity than DVD. In DVD the capacity of DVD is 6 times more than this CD, and Blu-ray 5 times more than DVD. Okay, next is your pen or flash drive. So it is used on USB, universal serial bus. You can many of you have seen in the in your computer or your laptop, you have seen one square type of a box is there through which we are inserting pen drive. So that is your pen drive, that is called flash drive. So the capacity of this flash drive up to 1 TB. It can be 256 MB, but it can, the maximum capacity of this your flash drive is your 1 TB. You can see this is your pen drive. Many of you have seen this pen drive, and very easy to carry. It's a very small, and we can store maximum data there, more data. Last is your memory card. What is memory card? In your mobile phone you use this one, this memory card. This is the secondary memory, secondary storage device. Okay, we can store data through this. Memory card is a storage media designed for portable device like mobile and digital camera. So these are the examples which we discussed, like memory card, pen drive, Blu-ray disc, DVD, CD, hard disk. These are the examples of the secondary memory. Okay, so once again you go through this, and please write down in your copy the capacity of CD, capacity of DVD, capacity of Blu-ray disc, capacity of flash drive, and how many times they are maximum. Like DVDs 6 times, then CD, Blu-ray 5 times, then CD. Okay, thank you.